Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan, December 12. Well, almost end of the year. Nice to see everything bouncing. Hopefully, some of you put the limit orders when we said last 2 weeks. Now it's kind of a bit too late to chase the market. Morning, Stefan. Morning, Bukur. Morning, everyone. Hey, Abdullah. Now, you can see I have the Capua 1 trading program. Still some places to be taken. So, consider that. Look at the site and you'll see exactly what's the offer, how we want to educate. The rest is up to you. So, now, we'll talk about at the end of the video. Now, let's go back on Bitcoin Daily. That's the best we can do at this point in time. We had the dark maul candle cleaned up and down. We still have some cleaning to do, but to the upside. That's good. We accepted above 100k. We closed the candle above, exactly at the highs here. I don't know if it's the highest high. Well, let's take a look. I think this one is higher. So close 204. Yeah, $2 more in this candle than on this one. Anyway, it's okay. So for the moment, we accepted above 100, we can push higher. If we are thinking range, we can hedge our portfolio. I don't see a clear setup yet. Or we can stay and wait for a clear breakout and then to long the retest, if will be the case. Indicators, well, we had the bearish divergence. Seems like that one is played out already. Yeah, market didn't go sorry guys, market didn't go down, go sideways. That is happening when the market is strong, and now we can resume the game. We can push higher again. Morning, Catalin. Morning, everyone. So overall on daily chart, doesn't look bad. Careful here because we have the short reload zone, but overall is looking nice. What is looking even better, or at least is looking interesting, is this chart. And I put some scenarios yesterday on Twitter just to draw attention to this chart. And you can see we dropped like a hammer straight down. We made a W here, breakout. We stopped at 38.2. And now we are retesting that W. Well, people are seeing the rejection from 38.2, but they are not seeing the retesting of this W. If this is a W retest, then we can push higher, back up. If was just a dead cat bounce from 38.2 to 38.2, and we'll accept below 54.50, then we can go to green scenario. Yeah. So this scenario will be played out. Let's just wait and see what will happen. It's kind of an inflection point. Let's see. If we'll go up, that means was just a retest of the W. If it's going down, that means was just a dead cat bounce from 38.2. It's important to pay attention now to this chart. If we'll go down, well, you had the chance to hunt on altcoins. I discussed, even in this live stream, I discussed all this, the entire list I have here. The rest is up to you, people. Premium members have the ideas posted in the investment channel. So, similar. I'll not come to your house, knock to your door, put your orders on Alt or Alice or other altcoin. It's your job to do it. My job is to trade my own money and maybe give you some ideas, some potential ideas, but you have to assume responsibility and risk your own money. Okay. Who got graduated first? Nah. We never did anything. Stefan, I don't know how to say it. You learn without doing the program. You learn directly with me. So, well, you can say that now because I'm doing the entire program. So yeah, you can say that. I don't know. If you learn something and you master the process, it's all you need to be successful. Okay, let's go back down on the charts. So inflection point here. Let's see. It's a W retest or it's a rejection from 38.2 and will accept below 54.50. Let's wait. Today, tomorrow, probably we'll find out. Now, Ethereum versus Bitcoin, similar, like Bitcoin dominance. You can see a retracement in 38.2, 1, 2, 3 days, and we are bouncing. Ethereum is really strong. I didn't get my clear W, but if it's already trending up, well, 38.2 usually it's enough in a strong trend. And you can see support here, test the support, pushing higher. We'll know that it's a clear trend when we'll take this high. Okay, when we'll close a daily candle above this high, then we know that we have a clear uptrend. And then don't chase, wait for the retracement like we have here and so on. But Ethereum looks okay-ish, at least okay-ish against Bitcoin. Ethereum itself, well, it's back in the range. What I said about fake outs, keep in mind, people, we are talking about daily chart here. So, daily uptrend channel, fake out on daily, 1, 2 days below, we closed back in the channel. On higher time frame, that's a buying opportunity if you are thinking channel. You have a 2-to-1 until here in the top. And the top should be here, 4,800. That should be the next resistance area. We still have to accept higher and we have to fight 4,000 again, but I think it's doable. So for the moment, could be just a retest of this level and we'll drop like a hammer. But I don't think so. For the moment, everything is pointing out up. Uptrend channel, deviation from the channel, closing back in the channel. Okay, it's a fight here at a big fat round number, I get it. But I think we can push higher. Just my 2 cents. Total market cap is trying to resume. You can see A, B, C, D. We pushed higher, we stopped here, consolidate this level. If we'll make a new high, then we know that we are up. And we want to push even more than 4 trillion. Total 3, similar, a bit behind, but similar. Okay. Yes. Someone who is bearish on yes. I don't see anything. I see just okay. Up. Higher, higher low, higher high. Fighting here, I think we can push higher. $6,000 was a big number. It's still a big number there, and taking that as a support, it's an important step to push higher. Just think about it. You are stepping up and you hit that 6,000 level. It's an important level. Some people want to sell that level. It's a target for them. Some people want to buy that level if we'll consolidate. Some people will inject some money in the market to push it higher. Morning, Andrei. So, overall, nothing to complain about, yes. And you remember, some people are bearish here. Well, we'll go back down, it's a resistance. No, let's wait. Now look at it. Textbook uptrend channel. Textbook uptrend. Yeah, if they don't hit the like button, you will kick them out, Andrei. Well, if you like to, I don't know, if you enjoy the live stream, hit the like button. If you don't hit the like button, and that's it. I don't mind. Okay, so that's the overview. Overall market looks strong. The idea that I have now on 4-hour chart, let's go back on Bitcoin on 4-hour chart, is that we are in a short reload zone here. Okay, so if you take the high, take the low, you are in a short reload zone here. If we am out, we can go back down. Play the range game more time. It's that simple. Don't think, well, we'll go to 110 immediately. Well, market stays in a range 70% of the time. So I'm assuming that will stay in the range. Okay? I know it's a special situation now. We are in a bull market. Everything is pumping. But still, remember that range, it's 60 to 70% of the time. 80% of the time. Even. Altcoins here, well, look at them. I don't see one with red. Not this fucking one. Everything had some limit orders. With the green, what we have with green, we had the fill. What we have with yellow, we are still waiting. So, look at this one. Give us a textbook feel here on the green and look at what's happening now. Look at alt, similar. A lot of altcoins are looking uppy now. Similar problem with everything. Looks exactly like Bitcoin. We are against that short reload zone. You can see the yams. If it's a dead cat bounce, then maybe we are lucky enough to get another dump and more fills. Maybe. Look at them. Look at the nice fills we had. Look at this one on hi-fi. We call the bottom there. Yeah, similar here. Well, if you had it exactly here, well, you don't have a fill, but I think I have a fill. That's why it's on green on me. Look at this one. Well, this one I have Luna Classic, not Luna 2. Mavia. Well, Mavia is still below the entry. I think it's a buying opportunity. Buy spot if you want to. Mavia is on multiple exchanges, at least on KuCoin, if I remember correctly. And Binance is delisting it. Maybe we can have the same reaction like on Reef, like on RAN, like on other altcoins. Everyone was trying to short them, and you know what happened? A lot of altcoins are looking nice now. Look at them. We talked about Monero. Now it's back at 200. Well, a lot of them are pumping. The problem I have, for example, here, it's that we are hitting the resistance at initial AM. In this market, should not matter, should push higher. But let's accept above the high, and then we can call it a altcoin season. A lot of them are pumping. Well, that's good for us. Now, let's go on lower time frame. Here on 4-hour chart or 1-hour chart I have in front of me, you can see the range clear as day. We touched 78.6 and you can see we are fighting this level. We are aiming out here. And this is an aim. If we'll accept, then we can retest some levels. So don't be extra bullish. Be extra careful here because you are in a short reload zone. You are at 78.6. Don't say, well, it's above 100. Let's jump in. Well, it's up to you. I played the Holy Grail on 5-minute chart yesterday on Bitcoin, deep in profit now. So I don't need to chase now above 100. My hedge from 101.5 is still active. I made it a free position at 1-to-1. My stop is still at the original place, so I'm okay with keeping it. To stop me out, they have to push the market all the way up here, so I'm okay with what I have. This looks like a head and shoulder YAM pattern here at 78.6. It's just a consolidation and we'll push higher. Well, more than happy to trail the Holy Grail trade. I see some bearish divergence here on 1 hour. You can see on RSI. You can see something on MACD. If you zoom in a little bit more, you'll see the divergence. But overall, if we'll stay above a white line, it's all good and we can push higher. Now, let's see what we have on the rest. Come on. Okay. That's the trade I was speaking about. I posted everywhere. I made sure that everyone is tagged. Now we got the entry here. We are pushing higher. We are still in this uptrend. Stop loss, it's a bit lower. It's here, not exactly there because it's dangerous. Anyway, even if we'll stop us out, we made more than 2 to 1 on this trade, so we are more than happy. That's a uptrend, that's holy grail. We don't know when we'll stop. We don't want to stay in front of the profit. We don't want to, okay, let's take the profit off. No, let it run. If it wants to run to 10R, 20R, why not? That's the way you make more money. Not chasing the market. We have agent. I discussed this one in the New York live stream. You can see it. Acceptable. Retracement here. Okay, I get it. It's above the all-time high. Could get violent. Could get ugly. I'm okay with keeping this trade. Ripple from 2 days ago, I switched from 5 to 50-minute chart. Now I don't want to be aggressive. I want to keep a distance between the market price and my stop loss. So I make it a free position here and I'm staying out of the price action way. If it's bullish and will push higher, okay, that will keep me in the trade. If it's really bearish and will take 50-minute chart, 50-minute time frame, 80R level here, oh, okay, that will stop me out at scratch. No harm done. I didn't lose money. Next bus, I could enter again. Simple as that. Morning, Christian. So that's my thinking here. Not too many things we can do in a situation like this. So I have Bitcoin here, I have Ripple, I have agent, I have short on Bitcoin, a lot of other altcoins trades in the market. We are well positioned. Let's try to maximize the profit. Try to maximize the profit with Holy Grail to stay only with the stop loss a bit far away from the market price. Maybe we can keep staying in the game even if the market is violent and volatile. We'll see. Let's see if we have any requests. Turning to the dark side, well, Sebastian, yeah, it's a possibility for him to turn to the dark side. What that could mean, I don't know. I didn't thought about that. Let's see. Any request? Heart? Okay. Richard Heart or which one? Well, actually, let's go here on this one. KuCoin? We can go higher in a bull market? You are asking? So you are asking me if we can go higher in a bull market, Catalin? Well, let us zoom out. You think we can go higher? I don't know what to say. It's just consolidating. Look at it. On weekly chart, it's just, okay, it's attacking the high. I get it. Yeah, I get it. It's a resistance level if you look left. So you have this resistance here and look left even more. You have another one here. So yeah, you can consolidate. You can fight at this level. But overall, zoom out. It could go, yeah. Why not? 10 times higher than here, Catalin. Yeah, so we can go 10 times higher, at least 10 times higher, if not more. So if you have a bag, I assume you have a bag, keep it. Sui versus Bitcoin. Well, okay. People are starting to asking about against Bitcoin. That's nice. That's a sign. Well, Sui versus Bitcoin looks like once higher. It's strong, but I don't know if it's a good idea to chase. You had a W at the bottom, weekly W. If you play that one, okay. You didn't have a proper retest. So this was your trade here. That was the weekly W. No proper retest. You can see the market was too strong and is pushing higher. We are in that part of the exponential market where the market could keep pushing higher and higher, and you don't have an entry. So that's my thinking on this one. If we reject, you can draw something like this, wait for the pump to be over and wait here. If it will happen, then you'll get an entry. Chasing there, I don't think it's a good idea. Actually, I know it's not a good idea to chase anything in the market. I made a tool special for that, so I'll be safe. But I'm not chasing in general. Well, morning, Hania. Leo on Mexi. Where is Leo? Leo USDT on Mexi. Yeah. Well, that's a W retest. Proper one. Let's see OBV. Doesn't look bad overall. I don't know what this one is doing. But you had a weekly W in the summer. Breakout retest, yamming out, pushing back in the lows. It's investable, Hania. At least if you know something more about this project and will not die a slow death, and you want to participate, I think this one, if we recover, could do nice things. For the moment, it's just retesting the previous weekly W. Kind of deep retest, but that's not bad. Necessarily bad. It's a bit weaker than the rest. Nobody is paying attention. Could be an opportunity. Buying that level. That could be a nice opportunity. Let's do a daily overview. Well, yeah. Look at. Someone is saying every time when the market is reaching this level, saying, get the fuck up. Go up again. You are fighting against this big gap on daily. But it's bull market. We should accept above the high and push high. Looks like it's painted with wicks and tails and a lot of insiders pushing the price up and down. But if you buy with little old lady or dollar cost average, you should be fine. You should make a double. You should make a 10x. You can make even more on this one. I don't know what this project does. Maybe it's the best thing ever and you'll see it tomorrow listed on Binance. I don't know. Don't sell your house to buy this one, but we are in that environment when we are looking for charts like this. We are looking, well, this one didn't pump. Let's buy it. So that's a good thing. We should chase charts that didn't pump, because when the altcoin season comes and everything is pumping, this one will probably pump also. And some of the lazy ones will pump even harder than the rest. At the end of the altcoin season, usually, shit pumps the last, but will pump. Let's see ENA. What I could say about ENA? Again? What I could say about ENA? It's too high to buy it. It's the only thing I could say about ENA. If you have it, keep it. It's strong. If you don't have it, this is the long reload zone. You'll get an entry. Why I should know that? I'm hoping that we'll get an entry. 61.8. You can see It's a fighting zone. So if we'll touch 61.8, it's a good entry. I told you about this one when I draw this line. I said, well, take the next W. Yeah, it's an LJ setup. But that was here, not here. Here you are in a short reload zone, but you don't want to short. Why? Because you are in a bull market. So you are kind of stuck. You are not allowed to short, but it's too late to buy it. That's simple. That's it now. Look at it. Short reload zone here. So Nicolae, that's my opinion about Yana. It's in the short reload zone, could pump a lot higher. I'm not allowed to buy it, and I'm not allowed to short it because we are in a strong bull market. Simple as that. Anything else? Anything else? Well, if you're holding a bag, that's really nice, Nikolai. If you're holding a bag, hold it really tight. You should be deep in profit. The bull market is not over, so you should be okay. You bought the bottom there, or that weekly double, daily W, not bad. Keep holding. It's good that you can hold. Some people cannot hold deep in profit. They'll get scared in this kind of environment here. We'll say, well, fuck it, I'll sell it. If you can hold it and master your emotions and keep them in check, that's good. Yeah, market cooling off, well, you have to look at Bitcoin dominance. You have to look at Bitcoin itself. Yeah, let's say what Dalmudi is saying. I know Dalmudi told us about this one at one point in time. AR, how many R's? 3 R's. Pirate chain on Coinex. I think Dalmudi is trading on Coinex, but let's see Mexi. Yeah. It's almost reloadable, like Dalmudi is saying. Indeed, you can see the... If you take the high, you take the low here, and you put a long reload zone. There you go. Wait for a W here, or just spread some limit orders into the long reload zone. 8.6 will be like a gift if you will get that one. Yeah. So let's look at it on Coinex. And what he says is better. Well, Dalmudi posted this one. I made a chart. You can see what we have here. Okay. I made the chart when the high was here. And I said, well, we could pump higher and then get the retracement. Well, now, if we'll put something like this, look at it. And like I said, 8.6 is like a gift here, a retest of this consolidation. People, if you want to chase, do it with it's your decision, it's your fucking money. If you want to listen and buy W retest, please do so. Same, your decision. I will not come to your house to say, well, I told you so, I have some credit. No, it's your responsibility, your credit, your win. We are just blabbing away, showing you some good ideas, but it's up to you. Look at this one, textbook one. Will come back down, probably. Okay, so that's another one. Well, let's try to keep this live stream short, half an hour. I said that this live stream should be just an overview, daily crypto plan, 20 minutes, 25 max. But I get it, it's bull market and more requests and we can go above half an hour. But this time my voice is letting me down. So let's keep it short. Let's see what will happen here. That's the key from my perspective. That's the fucking key. Let's see what will happen here. What is it? It's 38.2 retest and will push lower, or it's a W retest. Eyes on Bitcoin dominance today, tomorrow, in the weekend, and we can, I don't know, have an advantage in the market, seeing what's the direction. Let's call it a live stream. See you people in the New York session if you are a premium member. See you in the London session if you are a VIP member. Registrations for VIP closed until January. For the premium, we still have the offer. We'll close it pretty soon, so you have 1 year plus 3 months. Capo 1 registration, we have the offer until the end of the year, below $1,000 with everything we offer. Really damn good deal. We have offer for Capo 2 now, really good one. 3-4 months access on VIP, more setups, more TA for you, but you have to know what you're doing. Yeah, I cannot put a beginner in the Capo 2. I'll make him more hard than good. So, if you want to book Capo 2, DM Stefan. If you want to book Capo 1, DM me. Not too many places left for Capo 1. I'll take the first that will do the payment. When I'll have 20 places paid, I'll have to send a message to the rest of the people. Okay, it's done, it's closed. So don't be upset if you don't get a place. I'll just take the first one that will do the payment. I think it's the best way, the honest way to do this one. More than 20 people are hard to manage, so I'll try to keep it below 20 people. In the practical part, where I'm reviewing the trades, imagine having 20 people with one trade. You have 20 trades. Well, 20 people with 2 trades you have 40 trades to review. But imagine if you have 50 people. When the fuck you are reviewing their trades? And it's not about the money, it's about trying to help them. I want to be damn sure that I'm able to review their trades and try to help each and every one of them. So, that being said, let's call it a live stream. See you in the New York session. Tomorrow, the same video. Or in the chat on Discord. See you guys.